much do you spend on food each month? How about trips to the physio? And when was the last time you remembered to book your car in for a service? As one of the first steps on our financial fitness journey, it helps to have an idea of where our money goes. Hi, I'm CommBank's personal finance expert, Jess Irvine, and today I'll be sharing my top 3, not at all boring, tips on how to master the art of budgeting. In a recent survey, we found more than half of Aussies currently have a budget, but a third believe that their current method is ineffective. So if you want to up your budgeting game, here are 3 steps to follow. Track, reflect, project. So let's start with track. One of the first things you can do to get on top of your budgeting is commit to tracking your money to help you understand where your money actually goes. There are some great digital budgeting tools out there to help you get started on your budgeting journey. Or you can use a spreadsheet or an app, or even just a pen and paper will do. List everything from big bills to daily expenses like coffee and snacks as they leave your account. The point is just to observe in a non-judgmental way where your money is going. Which brings me to the next step, reflect. As you track your spending, it's a good idea to reflect on which of your expenses are a need versus a want. What are the needs that you really can't live without? Things like housing, electricity, and food. Alternatively, which of your purchases could you go without if you needed to? Take the time to slow down and really consider the value you're getting out of each purchase. Finally, the last step, project. Budgets often end up going off track because we fail to anticipate some of our bigger, lumpier expenses, such as car maintenance, quarterly council fees, or even Christmas. You can use the CommBank budget planner to think through some of these larger expenses, which might not be captured in your short-term tracking. Ultimately, there is no one right way to budget. It's about developing a system that works for you and helps you feel more in control of your money. Remember, budgeting is simply a tool that you can use to start building the life that you want and making your money decisions with confidence. And what's not to love about that? Discover more useful tips and practical tools by searching CommBank Financial Fitness.